What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. I've got this box of Winter Wishes cookies. Hey, my friends Maddie and Lane sent these to me, and I think you can order them online. They come from a place called Cheryl's Cookies out here in the Midwest. Cheryl's! God bless Cheryl. She makes a delicious cookie, and as you can see here, there are already some missing. Sorry. But listen, they come in all sorts of different flavors. They are sugar cookies with frosting. They're absolutely delicious. They are individually wrapped here. So you can see here we have buttercream frosted crinkle cutout cookie and just a round one. This looks like Christmas tree. This is like a chocolate one with peppermint in it. I'm only guessing, not that I've had it. Again, chocolate mint cookie, absolutely delicious. Look at this one here. Chocolate with chocolate. Devil's food chocolate. Frosty over here. And another cutout cookie. Hello, eat me. I think I might. So these are all amazing and delicious. I would highly encourage you to pick them up, whether you need a gift for someone or you just want to treat yourself. These are an amazing holiday treat. And I'll tell you what. They are soft, they are delicious, they're flaky, they kind of fall apart in your mouth. I've seen, sugar cookies that are really hard, crunchy. Not almost, they are crunchy. These are just like, they're like fresh baked. I'm not sure how they do them. Just soft. From the moment you open it, it's almost like they came out of the oven. So check it out. Cheryl's, absolutely delicious. I'll put a link to everything you need in the description. Peter von Panda, out.